Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up H&R Block for small business tax filing, full guide step by step clearly.
Start by visiting the H&R Block website. Create an account if you don't already have one.
Select the business option from the available tax filing categories.
Choose the relevant tax year for your small business filing. Begin by entering your business information, such as the name and address.
Provide your employer identification number, or EIN, if applicable. Input your business structure, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation.
Fill in your income details, including total revenue for the year.
Add any necessary expense categories such as rent, utilities, and supplies.
Upload or input any additional documents that may be required.
Next, move to the deductions section to maximize your tax savings. Include details for any credits you may qualify for, such as hiring incentives.
Review the summary of your tax return to ensure accuracy. Utilize H&R Block's built-in tools for error checking and guidance. Follow the prompts to finalize your tax return preparation. Once satisfied, proceed to file your return electronically.
Make sure to choose your preferred payment method for any taxes owed.
After filing, save a copy of your completed tax return for your records. Schedule a reminder to review your financials in the new tax year. Utilize H&R Block's customer support for any post-filing questions.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.